Hello everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Cards. Well, I have some more stamps to destash. I sold all my lots in the first one except number 3. So those were a lot of word ones and sentiments, which were really nice. So I'm going to combine them with a few more that I'm adding on. So this first one here, this is Unity stamps. And if you don't know Unity stamps, you got to look them up. They are wonderful stamps. Um, what I did is I used to get grab bags periodically, and when I got them, I would stamp them out on the paper, and then I got this special paper where I would put them on the back, and they hold really nice. It's almost like photo paper, but it's a little different. None of these have been used, and there's an umbrella here. It says, small things sometimes matter the most. Wishing you have a little faith. Life is full of beauty. And this is right here, right now. I believe in angels. There's a house, there's trees, there's this nice trim, and there's some circulars like for signs or for squares, little hearts. But let's see, there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Looks like 15, 16 stamps on this one. So that is Unity stamp. And then I did this to another grab bag I got. This one here, I like too. This has a postcard, which I think is really cool. It's a postcard stamp. You got your tea, you got your bird. We are family, company, legacy, heritage, history, which would be great for scrapbooking, and trees. And then the saying that says, once in a while, in the middle of an ordinary life, love gives us a fairy tale. And then these are kind of like cool designs up here that you could probably put with mixed media. But again, I did the same thing on this one when I got them in. I put them real nice on this paper. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 on this one. And they've never been used. And we have some. This one here is a Unity one, and again, I didn't use this. This is Christmas time. These are so cute. I have other reindeer ones, so that's why I decided that I would, break away from these, but they're so cute. It's Happy Holidays, reindeer, let it snow, I'm ready. They're just so cute. They make a nice topper, a bag topper too, if you wanted to make some. So again, they're all there, nice and clean. And this one here says, handmade with love, another Unity stamp. Never been used. Here's another cute one with reindeer. May your days be merry and bright. And are they too cute or what? There they are in the back. Nice and clean. And this one here is Welcome to the Hood. And these are cute little birdies. And it says, Welcome to the Hood. What the flock from your peeps. Congratulations. And the stamps are large, as you can see on the back here. Again, I haven't used these. See the little peeps there? Unity stamps are really nice. Then I got a couple small ones here that says, You are amazing. I think that's on the paper. I don't think that's on the, no, it's not on the stamp. This was just on the paper bag. The stamp itself is all nice and clean. I put that on the back. That's just on the, but that's a nice stamp. You are amazing. And this is a really cute one too. Happy to be me. And it's with the little girl and the little boy. And this one I didn't even take the backing off yet. But they stick really nice to your blocks and stuff like that. Then I had one Stampin' Up. I'm not much for fish and the sea and all that. But I had this one here. It's called By the Tide. And I'll open this up. I might have used this once or twice. All there. I think I used this a couple times, but these cleaned up really good. I like these better than the poly clear ones, but they're all nice and clean. And these are all the things that are on there. And it just says pink shells, white shells, all different color shells. Got a lobster. And then I showed these before. These are all, I've never used these. I got these at a sale. These are Close at Heart stamps. And it is black writing. It is not that they had any stamps on them. It's right in the packaging there. If you take the stamp away, it'll still be on. There. And they always have sometimes like a yellow cast to them, but that's just the way they make them. And this one here just says, you brighten my day, love and laughter. My life is so blessed. There's a whole bunch on here. It's called Because of You. Another one that's close to your heart, The Gift of Love. And this one is Love is above all. Love is above all a gift, the gift of oneself. Love is a canvas, furnished by nature. But there's a whole bunch on here. And again, they're all nice and clean. Never been used. I don't even know how many are on here. And this one here is called Friends Forever. They're all these nice coverings close to your heart. Close to my heart. And this one is Friends Today, Friends Forever. With all my heart, I love you. Yeah. Again, they're nice and they're all real nice. And then I'll go through these quickly. These here, I showed yesterday. These are by Fisker. They're like stamps where you can put things, sayings on. This one here is really cute. It's got the cameras, the lips. This one here's for babies, if you can see it. Probably should have got I got one here. Probably see that better, much better. It's so cute. I think that says baby, that one there. And this one here. Smiles, dance. Dance to your own music. Confidence is sexy. Girls just want to have fun. None of these have been used. This is congratulations to all the groom, Mrs., Mr. Toast. This one here. Be happy, be bright, dream big, smile. I wish I was a camper. I love this one. It's King of the Road, on the road again. Hit the road, Jack. And those little campers are just so cute. And this one here is for traveling. Flying, boating. It's got all these cute words. This one here is happy hour. First day of school, girls' night out. It's just a variety of all different ones. This one here is love, Valentine. Yeah, looks like all kinds of love and Valentine. And let's see here. This is this came from scrapbook.com. Thinking of you, happy birthday. This one here is by Jilly Bean. It's a stamp and stencil. This is the stamp, and a stencil is just like this. And it has all the little things you can put in here. So that's a stamp and stencil. And the last two I got here are Just to Say, Get Well Soon, Birthday Wishes. And this one here is upside down. And this one says, Happiness is having you for a friend. So, these are all the stamps here. Get them all out. You'll be getting in this lot. These two big ones. Stamp it up. Unity stamps. close to my heart stamps. All these other stamps. So there's quite a variety here. I think they're really nice. So if you are interested in these stamps, it will be a $30, which includes shipping. And the first one to email me and tell me they're interested and to pay on my PayPal account, which also is my email, I will be sure to get it right out to you. So just let me know. Thank you, everybody.